The core message of my presentation and my discussion today will be related to the importance to consider both the beneficial and detrimental aspect of senescence. I will show certain mechanisms that might be associated specifically to detrimental senescent cells that can be exploited for refined xenotherapeutic approaches that can spare the positive side of senescence and only hit the detrimental part. Of course, we have several meetings that touch upon the cellular senescence context, but many less that are considering the application of targeting senescent cells. So I think that this forum is unique in a sense that it can provide us, the speakers, moderators, and all the audience, the possibility to interact, to discuss the problem of targeting senescent cells, to move certain compounds to the clinic, and also how to assess the efficacy of certain interventions.